puntahan natin yung Amarillo Crest at Havala Township in Taytay, Rizal. Mga kabahay, I'm in Phase 1A Amarillo Crest Residences here in Havala, Taytay. And tara, i-check natin ang aming best-selling lots here in Havala, Taytay. So tara, walk tour tayo mga kabahay. So Phase 1A here in Amarillo Crest Residences is our best selling lots in all of Havala. Kasi out of 35 lots na available, 8 units na lang ang natitira mga kabahay. And ang available, yun po ang pupuntahan natin ngayon, yung 8 units na available. Block 1, meron tayong available na 4 lots. And ang una po is this, nasa lot 1, 179 square meter. And the next na available mga kabahay is located in Block 1, Lot 3, 4, and 5. Nandun banda ang Lot 5, Lot 4, and Lot 3. And yan, ang 4 of the remaining lots in Block 1. So ito mga kabahay, ito po yung Block 2. So for Block 2, meron tayong nag-iisang available pa. So this is a walk tour vlog mga kabahay. Pinapakita ko po yung mga available pa na lot here in Phase 1A. So yung Block 3 mag-start doon sa dulo. All the way doon sa pinaka-entrada. So this is Block 2 mga kabahay. So yung available in Block 2 is this lot. So this lot mga kabahay. So lot 9, 149 square meter. So ito naman ang magiging front ng lot. So now, puntahan natin yung remaining 3 lots na available in Block 3. So this is Block 3, Lot 9 mga kabahay. And yung lot area nito is nasa 258 square meter. Ito naman ang magiging front ng lot. Tara, puntahan natin yung other 2 lots na available in Block 3, located in Lot 13 and Lot 14. So for Lot 13, ang lot area is nasa 249 square meter and ang Lot 14 naman is nasa 257 square meter. So mga kabahay, I'm Agent J and again, nasa Phase 1A tayo ng Amarillo Crest Residences here in Havala, Taytay. And pinakita ko sa inyo kanina yung mga available pa mga lot only here in Phase 1A. Out of 35 lots, remaining is 8 lots na lang. So kung naghahanap kayo ng lot, good for investment, consider Amarillo Crest Residences Phase 1A. So for more details, side viewing assistance, please contact me on my CP number at 0929705633. Thank you for watching.